I want to show you guys this huge assortment of fireworks here. And in the farm, you can just draw fireworks anytime you want if you're in the farm or so. Which is lighter for sure. Here's Ram. Take a look. Have it. Looks like the here's Ram tape right here. Here's Ram tape right here. This got a race card for here. There's a couple of round moons right here. A couple of round moons. Dollar bar fountain right here. A huge fountain right here. Uproar. There's here on the Ram 6 shot. Here on the Ram 8. Here's a big packet of sparklers right here. How cute. Crafting balls right here. Nice crafting ball. Yellow submarines. I got a huge fountain right here. Hey, this got, hey, here's Ram tape. Turmoil, which is another one of those here's Ram tape right here. Navy, there's a Navy right here. And a big tape right there. And this thing's got tape. Here's Air Force. And then one of those things got tape. Right there. And that's a Marine. And this is got tape. Russian rainbow. Here have a Ram back row tape for sure. some tender. There's your ramp tape for sure. Already there's just a shot tape for sure. And that's the artillery shell right here too. Ammo plate. Artillery shell. That's probably what this firework assortment had here.